Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can add an image frame to your photos in the Pixlr Photo Editor. So let us get started. Alright guys, so navigate to your image project and you can use image frames to copy an image, for example, directly into a specific area or frame on your image layer here. So what you want to do guys is make sure that you select the image layer to the right, and after that click into, let me find it here, the frame/image holder tool on the left panel. Click into it and simply click into the area where you would like to position your frame. You may do this, for example, with your left mouse or press and hold left shift to stabilize the frame so that it has perfect aspect ratio. And after that you may position it, for example, resize it, rotate it, and so on and so forth. So now to add an image or photo directly into that frame, guys, simply double click into that plus button, locate the image on your device, and let Pixlr add it to your frame. As you can see, now you can, for example, position it here, resize it, for instance, or rotate it, etc., etc., guys. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.